affected. Expect little damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Hammond, Orland Park, Oak Lawn, Berwick, Oak Park, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Austin, South Shore, Rosewood, Bridgeport, Chicago Loop, South Lawndale, Midway Airport, West Town, Burbank, Lansing, Oak Forest, Melrose Park, Harvey. For your protection, to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana. The tornado warning for southeastern Lake County is canceled. The storm